Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start. Sir, we have had a useful discussion on this document. Today, we are faced with the problem of inflation and rising prices. Whether there is justification or not, prices are rising day by day. If we look into the basic cause of inflation, we will find that it is due mainly to stagnation in production, whereas there is increase in money supply. On the other hand, if production had also increased at the same time, perhaps this type of inflation would not have been there. This affects the economy as a whole. If we want to get out of this situation, we have to plan in such a way that we increase our production in all sectors. It is in this context that we have to look at our industrial policy with regard to industrial licensing. Larger house and foreign owned companies can enter into those areas which are more capital intensive, but I would like to make it clear that it is not as if they are automatically given preference. On the other hand, if there is a competition between a medium entrepreneur and a larger house, the medium entrepreneur is selected. Then the question of nationalization comes in now and then. So far as this question is concerned, if the honorable members are really interested in nationalization, they should make the public sector projects and other nationalized projects a success. It can be done if they give their full cooperation with regard to labor unions. On the other hand, they want to play politics more and more, particularly in the public sector projects. So, I would request the honorable members of my party also to make note of this point if they are saying that larger houses should be immediately removed. Till we are in that position, we have got to utilize these larger houses in certain areas for more and more production. When we say that others should come forward and take over the production of various commodities, it cannot happen at once unless we create conditions for the purpose of helping the new entrepreneurs, particularly the middle and smaller men. These facilities were not available to them till now. That is why we have appointed a committee. It has made recommendations with regard to the various steps to be taken in regard to new institutions. I may inform the House that we have already circulated a list to the state governments. We discussed the same with them at the conference of ministers for industries. So, during this plan, we should create conditions in which we may be able to introduce newcomers in the field so that they may become more and more broad based. That is how we are going to get over the difficulty. Ultimately, we will have to have some sort of control over the private sector. In the national interest, it has to be done. that is under the consideration of the government. In this way, we shall show a better industrial production. Letter from Hindustan Mills Limited, Kolkata to Messrs. John and Company, Mumbai. Dear sirs, we regret to inform you that as a result of the rise in the prices of raw materials and wages, our cost of production has gone up. In view of the rise in the cost of living, we have had to accept the demand of the workers for higher wages. In the circumstances, we cannot but increase our current prices. We have decided on this course rather than lower the quality of our products, which would not be liked by our customers. In this connection, we should like to point out that although our cost has increased by more than 10%, we have decided to share this burden with our customers, and the prices are being raised by 10% only. We assure you that we shall reduce the prices to their original level as soon as possible. Our new prices will come into effect from 1st November. Our revised price list is enclosed. We hope you will appreciate our difficulties, which have been forced on us by unfavorable circumstances, and continue to favor us with your valued support as before. Yours faithfully,